Over the past few years, I've spent thousands of hours making this house better. I've built massive wall units, remodeled rooms with unique ceiling features, and built furniture that even master carpenters would be proud of. But I didn't stop there. I wanted giant-sized doors, not just any door. I wanted to use 500-year-old lumber to make these things a showstopper. And I found time to upgrade my backyard. Basically, I've poured everything that I have into making this house feel like a home. But I think that I forgot the most important upgrade. Every single day my family drinks this water. It's something we never really think about. Most healthy adults can survive weeks without food, but only a few days without water. Water isn't just important, it's life. And that made me wonder, why have I spent so much time upgrading everything around my family, but never the water they drink every day? And lately I've heard more conversations about our drinking water. The chlorine, the contaminants, the microplastics. And although the city does provide us safe drinking water, it's made me think. I've never looked into improving our own water system in our home. So I decided to reach out to a reverse osmosis company. GlacierFresh sent me this reverse osmosis system to completely test out. But I had one rule: give me complete freedom to share my honest opinion. Before we start, I've got 3 challenges. Rule number 1, no plumber. Number 2, if anything leaks, I fix it today before this video ends. Number 3, wife and son decide if this upgrade was actually worth it. Okay, let's start the process. Let's open up the box and see what's in here. Definitely gonna need this. And since I'm not a plumber, I will definitely be following the instructions, letter for letter. The first thing that surprised me was how compact the system is. I expected one of those huge storage tanks. Instead, it's tankless, doesn't require electricity, and it's designed to deliver a high flow of filtered water while saving cabinet space. I mean, what's better than that? Oh, and you see what I'm doing here? The package even comes with its own faucet, and I'm installing that now. And the cool part about it, it's kind of like a plug and play. It comes with its own hoses, and you just plug it in. It even has a diamond drill bit, so you can drill through your countertops. I mean, that's pretty useful. All right, let's continue the process. Plug it in. Let's drain the water completely out. I've installed a lot of things over the years, but plumbing? That has a way of humbling you. This is usually the point where people call a plumber. Pretty sure I'm gonna mess this up. And I was thinking about this process, and I almost drilled in the wrong location. All right, it wants me to drill a 1/4-inch hole in the drain pipe. But it says before the P-trap. So I'm not a plumber, but I'm assuming this is the P-trap. But wouldn't you say this is a J-trap? This looks like a J. Or is this the P-trap? But that would be more like an R-trap. This is the drain saddle. So I think I've determined my spot. Wish me luck. Thankfully, I caught it before it was too late. And at this point, there was no turning back. The average person drinks hundreds of gallons of water every year. That's why I wanted to be more intentional about something my family uses every single day. Just like I choose quality materials when I build something, I wanted to make the same thoughtful decision about our drinking water. This is a 5-stage reverse osmosis system. It's designed to reduce a lot of contaminants like chlorine, lead, fluoride, heavy metals, microplastics, you name it, and many other impurities that we find in our water. So this should be a game changer. We should be ready to go. Moment of truth. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this thing is rated for up to 800 gallons per day flow rate. That's awesome and fast. Okay, that went really, really well. Much better than expected. Now they recommend that we flush it out for 10 minutes, so we're just gonna have to wait. While I wait impatiently for this to flush, I wanted to say normally I would do a TDS comparison before and after installing a system like this, but today I didn't have a chance to get the baseline readings. What I can tell you is the installation went smoothly, the water flow is excellent, and the water tastes really clean. Okay, system's completely flushed, installation is done, I pulled it off, and you know what? I did it with DIY skills. And while I set up to do my taste test, I wanted to say I reached out to the company and asked them if they would give any of my friends a discount. And they said yes. So I'll have a link in my description if you're interested. For now, let's enjoy some fresh, clean drinking water, right? I think this is the best upgrade I've done after all the years I've spent in this house upgrading everything. I'm impressed and excited.